Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English The Topper's Choice. In this video, we are going to discuss class 10th 7th lesson Glimpses of India. In this second part, Coorg. Let's go. At first, we'll discuss the author of this lesson, Coorg. The author of this lesson is Lokesh Abrol. Lokesh Abrol is a renowned doctor by profession. He established the first multi-speciality hospital in the private sector in Gurgaon. He is also a social worker. He established the first stray cow shelter in Gurgaon. Lokesh Abrol is also an established writer. The present essay on Coorg highlights his sharp observation and the ability for a graphic description of the wonderful land that is called Coorg. Introduction to this lesson, Coorg. Coorg is a coffee producing area in the Karnataka state of India. It is situated midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. This land is famous for its rainforests and spices. The lesson gives us a beautiful insight of the smallest district of Karnataka and its people. The place has an amazing weather throughout the year with enough rain during the monsoon season. The people of Coorg are known to be one of the bravest. Coffee is the main crop grown in this region. A variety of animals can be found here, while the place is surrounded by beautiful Brahmagiri hills, islands, and Tibetan settlements. Summary of this lesson, Coorg. Home to rainforests. Coorg is a small district of Karnataka. It is known as Kodagu also. Coorg lies between the coastal town of Mangalore and Mysore. It is a very beautiful place. The writer says that it must have come from the kingdom of God. It is the smallest district of Karnataka. Coorg is famous for its coffee plantations, evergreen rainforests and spices. 30% of its area is covered with the evergreen rainforests. The best season to visit this place is from September to March. The weather is perfect. The air is full of coffee flavor. There are beautiful colonial bungalows in prime corners of Greek or Arabic descent. The people of Coorg are independent and brave. They are of Greek or Arabic descent. According to a story, a part of Alexander's army did not return and was settled there. They married the locals. This culture can be seen in the martial traditions, marriage, and religious customs. Another theory says that these people originated from the Arabs. It is evident from the long black coat worn by the people. It is like the kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. Brave people. Coorgi homes have a tradition of hospitality. They are brave people. Their tales of bravery are famous. The Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. The first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. Even today, the Kodaus are the only people in India who are allowed to carry firearms without a license. A tourist paradise. There are a variety of natural scenes which can be enjoyed by tourists. Kaveri, the only river of the area, gets its water from Coorgi Hill. This river is full of mahasir, a large freshwater fish. One can see elephants, kingfishers, squirrels, and langurs enjoying themselves in the lap of nature. Birds, bees, and butterflies give one a good company here. Elephants enjoy being bathed here by their mahouts. The river and mountain offer various adventurous games like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. The trekkers find numerous walking trails in this area. From the Brahmagiri hills, one can enjoy a panoramic view of the entire landscape of Coorg. There is a 34-acre island of Nisargdhama nearby. It can be reached through a rope bridge. Buddhist monks are settled in Bailakuppe, which is very close to this place. Their red, ochre, and yellow robes are very attractive to look at. Now we'll discuss the main points of this lesson, Coorg. Coorg is situated between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. It is called the land of rolling hills. It is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. It is the smallest district of Karnataka. Coorg is the home of evergreen forests, spices, and coffee plantations. September to March is the most pleasant season for the tourists. During this period, weather is perfect and the air breathes of coffee. The people of Coorg are fiercely independent people. They are possibly of Greek or Arabic origin. It is said that a part of Alexander's army settled there and married amongst the locals. Their long black coat with an embroidered waist belt kufiya resembles the kufiya worn by the Arabs. Coorgi homes are known for their hospitality. The Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. The first chief of the Indian Army, General Kariyappa, was a Coorgi. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forests of Coorg. High energy adventures with river rafting, canoeing, rock climbing, and mountain biking are quite popular in Coorg. Birds, bees, butterflies, Malabar squirrels, and langurs find shelter in the rainforests of Coorg. The top of the Brahmagiri hills gives you a panoramic view of the misty valley of Coorg. India's largest Tibetan settlement at Bailakuppe is famous for its Buddhist monks and temple. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.